Hi everyone, today I have Kiara with me. Today I am going to show you one DIY product which we make out of cardboard. We bought this recently when we went to Taj West End where one of my friend has put up her stall. We went to support her and we bought certain things there. Let me show you what that product is. Kiki, you want to show?
Yes.
Sure.
This is a cardboard camera.
Yeah, we got this for Kiki. How do we do it? Do you want to say?
Yes.
Yeah,
We just have to take out these and fold it and just stick it with the glue. That's the material.
Yes, we just need that glue. That's it. Everything is inside this. I am excited to make this. Are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can even paste a picture inside.
Yeah, we'll do all that. We'll try and do everything. Okay?
Yes.
So without any further delay, let's go! Hey, run away.
What's the time?
Hey, kurgandwe.
Early in the morning. How much time will this take? It's ready.
Not yet.
Oof. There's another one sticking it and I'm getting pee. Fold it.
This goes on to
And we have to hold it for 1 hour. Yay. Go. Oh.
We are done with the camera.
Ring.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, isn't it?
Say cheese.
Cheese. Yeah. So that's our camera photo frame. We need to put a picture over here, but Kiara does not want to put. So we have the camera as it is. Overall, we enjoyed doing this project. Did you, Kiki?
Yes.
Yes, so finally our product is ready. So guys, hope you liked the video. Did you like that camera? Let us know in the comments below. If you like Kiara to be part of my videos, let us know that too. We would love to create a video together. And if you want to see any pictures of us, follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.